I'm Ben Lands with APC Media.
I'm Seth Johnson. We're at DTECH 2026. Please join us as we speak to industry leaders,
Gaining insights from experts in the utility industry. Join us to hear all about what people are doing to achieve affordable, reliable, and a resilient grid.
We're here at DTECH 2026 with RESA Power, and I'm accompanied by Jim Neilsen. We're doing a product highlight showcase with RESA. Jim, please introduce yourself.
Jim Neilsen, RESA Power, business development specifically for utilities. Been with RESA Power for about 6 months now.
Fantastic. And we're here to showcase a new tool that you guys have put together.
Yes.
For your customers and also for RESA Power. Tell me a little bit about how your role is involved with the development of this tool.
So at RESA Power, business development and our sales team, what we want to do is we want to go out and get customer facing time, be in front of the customer. This new tool is going to allow us to explain to our customer in depth exactly what RESA's capabilities are in utility substations, data centers, C&I, mining, whatever industry it is.
Fantastic. What are some of the unique features of this tool that makes it something that your customers are going to be using?
So one of the unique features about this is when you get in front of a customer all the time, a lot of conversation going on and you don't remember everything that your company does. So this tool is going to allow us to dig in and step by step go down and highlight the specific components in the substation, transformers, breakers, CTs, PTs, things like that. So SCADA work.
Absolutely. Yeah, RESA's involved in all kinds of different work. Yeah. So tell us, what do you think your customers are going to get out of this?
What our customers are going to get out of this is a full explanation of our capabilities. To fully understand when we leave that meeting, the customer's going to say, I understand what RESA does, how they do it, and how it ties into their specific needs as a customer.
Very good.
Yep.
Why don't you go ahead and give us a demonstration of this new tool that you guys have developed?
Perfect. So this is just an overview of basically the power utility system. We have it broken down into C&I, data centers, utilities. And when you click on the interactive tool here, we'll go to the substations here, the power plant. And then when you dig down in, you can pick into the substation itself. And then if you're talking specifically to your customer about transformer services, you can click on the oil processing and it shows you a visual of exactly what we're doing, how the truck is in the substation, what equipment we're working on, and then the capabilities for that specific breaker or transformer that we're working on.
It's a fantastic interactive tool.
It is.
You know, one of the things that comes to mind is how will this be perceived in the industry from your customer base?
Well, everything's moving more towards technology as we grow, AI. So this is an interactive tool that we can share with them that is digital and it's not paper. We can always share it with the customer. We can go back and edit certain things. If a customer has a specific need, we have the ability to change that on the fly and add that capability into as our company grows.
That's great. Yeah. And I assume, as this continues to develop, you'll continue to build out this tool and this platform.
Absolutely. And right now we have the data center and the utility on there. And then when we get into more mining and healthcare, we can add certain sectors to this tool. So it's a growing tool as we go.
So you talked a little bit about how it's going to help the customers, but also how is it going to help RESA?
It's going to help our sales team understand our capabilities, for one, and the more they get to use it, the more familiar they're going to be with it, and the more knowledgeable they're going to be as a sales team to go and build the confidence to get in front of the customer and tell them about RESA Power.
That's great. I'm always a fan of sales enablement, right? Sales enablement tools. This is a great example of something that helps enable sales. It brings value to your customer base. It brings value to RESA Power. Absolutely, which is great.
And everybody likes the visual too.
Yeah.
And then they can understand how we can dig down into certain levels of a substation and certain aspects and what we're capable of doing.
Yeah. You know, I always find it's hard to understand a lot of times what companies do.
Absolutely.
Right? And it's hard to even convey that message. Yep. Right. And, you know, a lot of people are very visual in the way that they operate. You know, I know I certainly am. Most people are. So having a very interactive tool, I think, really is it's a nice advantage that you're bringing to the market and something that your customers will certainly appreciate. Great to catch up with you, and really excited to learn about this tool and hopeful for the future of RESA Power.
Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, thank you.